Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Hyperwallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Hyperwallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in portal.hyperwallet.com and make a search. The official page of Hyperwallet's account will appear on the screen. To sign up for your Hyperwallet's account, you'll need to enter some of your personal details. So enter your first and last name, your email address, company name, your phone number and country of residence. Now enter your account details, that is your user ID, and create a password for your Hyperwallet's account. Confirm your password by re-entering it. Tick mark on the box that says I'm not a robot and tap on submit. A confirmation mail will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Open your mail and click on Getting Started option. You will now be able to access the dashboard of Hyperwallet's account. This is how you can sign up for your Hyperwallet's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.